2006 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition. Still got factory converters on this side. Secondary, this converter's been replaced with a high flow. Then it winds into a single right there. And then we put a 3-inch pipe and a 3-inch to 2.5 FLOWMASTER right there. 40 series if you guys want it. The link will be in the description. And then 2.5-inch tailpipes, original, into his original tips right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's a Harley Davidson Ford F-150. FLOWMASTER 40 series again. Sound decibels is about 108. I found one we can put back on it. Harley Davidson. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.